Good morning, kindergarten. It is Miss Lewis here. It is nice to see you again. I miss you guys a lot. I am here. I'm going to get you started on your Groves homework today, your Groves work. So let's start with our warm-ups from our big book. We're going to start with rhyming. So you're going to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if it rhymes. But first, I'm going to say it, you're going to say it, and we'll see if it rhymes or not. All right, here we go. Drive 5. Now you say it. Drive 5. Does it rhyme? Yes, it does. Next one. Man cup. Man cup. Does it rhyme? No, those don't sound alike. Shelf self. Shelf self. Do those rhyme? Yeah, they do rhyme. March just. March just. Do those rhyme? No, those don't rhyme. Rush post. Rush post. Those don't rhyme. Cold told. Cold told. Yes, those do rhyme. And last one. Bench step. Bench step. No, those do not rhyme. All right, I'm going to say 2 words, then you are going to say the 2 words, and then we're going to say what sound it starts with. So, dear, deep. I should do this. Dear, deep. Now you say it. Dear, deep. What sound does it start with? D, d, d. Her home. Her home. What sound does it start with? Send sound. Send sound. What sound does it start with? Good. Zoom 0. Zoom 0. What sound does that start with? Z. Good. Back bike. Back bike. What sound does that start with? Those words. B, b, b. And last ones. Key kitten. Key kitten. What sound does it start with? K, k, k. Good job. Alrighty, let's see. Our last one for our warm-ups are going to be our sentences. So, I learn at my school. Now you say it. I learn at my school. I learn at my school. How many words is that? 5 words. My eyes, let me start over. My eyes help me to learn. My eyes help me to learn. My eyes help me to learn. How many words? 6. Birds sing songs. Birds sing songs. Birds sing songs. How many words? 3. Dogs can make loud noises. Dogs can make loud noises. Dogs can make loud noises. How many words? 5. Is the fence tall? Oh, you say it. Is the fence tall? Is the fence tall? How many words is that? 4 words. I see a big red barn. I see a big red barn. I see a big red barn. How many words? 6. Last one. I want to ride a horse. I want to ride a horse. I want to ride a horse. How many words is that? 6. Wonderful job. Okay, so now, whoever is teaching in the room with you right now, if they could go get the C card with it says C and then a cat, and then on the bottom it says cat. So you can pause this and grab that card, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, boys and girls, so we have our card with the letter C on it. C says k, k, like in the word cat. So when we point at the top of this card and it says C, we go C, cat, k, when we point to the three things, the letter, the cat, and then the name. So do it with me. C, cat, k. C, cat, k. So now if we look at the A card, if you don't have that, you can pause it and grab it. A, apple, a. A, apple, a. Say it with me. A, apple, a. Good. Now we're going to get the L card. You can pause now if you need to go get it. L card. L, leg, O. L, leg, O. And the D card is last. D card. D, dog, D. D, dog, D. Do it with me. D, dog, D. Good job. Today we will learn a brand new letter. The letter's name is T. We can remember it with the word tub. So, in my class, there's a little shelf where we keep our letters. In Mrs. Wallace's class, she keeps her letters somewhere too. If whoever is subbing can go get the letter T and then press play when you are ready, you can do that now. If you need to borrow one from my class, you can go get it from there. So we're going to learn about the letter T. So you can pause it now and press play when you're ready. Okay, so we can remember the letter T with the word tub. This letter says t, 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 like tub, tub, t, tub. So when we point to this card, we're going to point at the T's. We're going to say T, and then at the tub, t, tub, and then at the bottom we're going to say t. So I'm going to do it again. So we're going to go T, tub, t, T, tub, t. Say it with me. T, tub, t. I'm going to say a word. And if it starts with the t, 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 that's what this letter is, T, 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 T. If it starts with that sound, you're going to give me a thumbs up. If it does not start with that sound, you're going to give me a thumbs down. Okay, here we go. First word is today. Today. So you hear a t at the beginning? Today. Yes, there is a t at the beginning. Next word, Friday. Friday. No, that does not start with a t sound. Next word, week. Week. That does not start with a t sound. Name. Name. Does that start with a t sound? No, name does not start with a t sound. Next word, tonight. Tonight. Does that start with a t sound? Yes, it does. Tonight. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yes, that starts with a t sound. Tuesday. Tuesday. Yes, that starts with a t sound. And the last one is time. Time. Yes, that starts with a t sound. Alright, boys and girls, today we are going to learn how to write the lowercase t. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to flip my camera. See if I can figure out how to do this. Hang on one moment. Okay, so we're actually going to have to go to the next video that's on the screen because I can't flip my camera in one recording. So that is totally fine. We are learning as we go. So what I'll need the teacher in the room to do is just to exit out of this video. And you can pull up the video that's going to be right underneath this one. And we are going to learn how to write the letter T. Alright, I will see you at the next video.